In most distribution businesses, the brand, the distributor, and the retailer are working off three different systems that do not talk to each other. Orders live in a spreadsheet, stock gets confirmed over a phone call, and by month end, nobody fully agrees on the numbers. BoniTrade OS connects brands, distributors, field teams, retailers, inventory, orders, schemes, claims, delivery, and accounting evidence in one operating chain. The brand manages products, variants, channel offers, schemes, and distributor coverage. The distributor manages receipts, stock, retailer orders, dispatch, delivery, collections evidence, and claims. And the retailer or buyer manages their own pricing, repeat baskets, delivery status, invoices, and returns. It starts with mapping the channel. You define the brand, the distributors, their locations, the retailers they serve, the field sales roles, and the commercial relationships that belong in this rollout. This is a real channel graph, not a flat contact list. So a super stockist, a distributor, a sub-distributor, and a retailer can each be labeled, scoped, and priced correctly. Next, load products and opening stock. Product families, variants, packs, and channel offers come in from controlled files or approved system exports, along with the current stock position, so the rest of the workflow starts from real numbers instead of a guess. Then primary receipts. The brand to distributor order is recorded, and when goods are received, one confirmation updates the distributor's stock position. There is no separate reconciliation step to remember later. The stock position changes once, at the moment it actually changed. Secondary orders capture retailer or business buyer demand. The right channel offer is applied, stock is reserved against that order, and the responsible seller stays traceable end to end. A brand can suggest offers, and an authorized distributor can manage its own retailer pricing when the commercial policy allows it, with the applied price and its source always visible on the order. Accepted orders move through allocation, dispatch, and delivery, with returns handled the same way. Trade schemes and claims carry a sponsor, a target, evidence, and a status. So a scheme is not just a discount line, it is a trackable piece of trade work. Collections follow up sits in the same board as fulfillment instead of a separate spreadsheet only finance can see. Finally, reconcile the outcome. Delivery, claim, payment, and reconciliation references are sent to the accounting layer as evidence, and the operating team reviews fill rate, stock risk, overdue work, open claims, and repeat demand in one place. Two boundaries stay fixed. There is no distributor bypass. Retailer relationships, prices, stock, and fulfillment stay attached to the legal business responsible for them, and a network view never merges participants into one shared tenant or book. And accounting stays authoritative. TradeOS records operational trade state, while posted invoices, tax, payments, outstanding balances, and accounting corrections remain the accounting system's job. A pilot can start from current CSV or spreadsheet exports. A distributor does not need to replace their ERP on day one. BoniTrade OS is not yet self-serve. It is available for controlled design partner pilots with a defined territory, product set, participating distributors, an operating owner, and a review cadence. If you recognize this chain in your own business, bring your current process and files, and we will define the smallest useful pilot. Discuss a Trade OS pilot at sales.boni.one.